Good evening. Welcome to Pebbles YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn cursive handwriting. A beautiful handwriting that reveals your personality and it promotes your mark scoring. So cursive writing is important in your education and writing exam presentation also. It plays a major role. Beautiful cursive handwriting. So today we are going to learn how to start our cursive handwriting. There are some basic strokes how to start and write in 4 lines, how to do in your 4 lines notebook. So here I am putting 4 lines similar to that of your 4 lines notebook. So first we are going to learn the names of 4 lines and how do the alphabets are formed from the basic cursive strokes. Okay, let me start to begin with session. Now we start cursive writing. So first we have planned to know the names of 4 lines in your 4 lines notebook. Okay, let me see the top most line, which is called ascender line. ASCENDER, ascender line. Then lowermost line. In your notebook these 2 lines are colored as red, these 2 lines are blue. It may vary also. So least line, that is called descender line. DESCENDER, descender line. Okay, then middle these 2 lines, the top one is known as simply top line. Top one is called top line. Then bottom line. So in your notebook, write it down, put arrow and named it. In your notebook, the top line is ascender line. Then lowermost red line, which one is called descender line. Then top line, and second one is the bottom line. So first naming, you have to know all the names of lines. Just register in your mind. So you have to, while you are writing any stroke or any alphabet, you have to observe the line name from when it starts and from which place it starts and to end. So it will be very easy and make it very legible handwriting. Okay. So once again I tell ascender line, top line, bottom line and descender line. We start to learn basic strokes. Okay. First you draw one slanting line like this. Before you have to know beautiful handwriting, just you remember your drawing strokes. It's a simply similar to that of drawing. So you do it very relaxed mood. Okay. Then from ascender to bottom slanting line. Okay. So draw like this, from ascender to bottom slanting one line. Okay, understand? Then you have to draw similar to that of 2 lines, same like ascender to bottom. Draw 2 lines, not erect in position. You observe it, all these lines, it should be very slanting. So likewise only you have to make it as a cursive slanting mode of writing. Okay. Then similar ascender to bottom slanting. You have to write only from upward to downward. Don't write it from the downward to upward. It is the wrong mode. You have to write from the top to bottom and observe the line ascender to bottom. Okay, then these two lines, then you have to draw, you have to come here, you make it 4 lines. Practice makes perfect, so practice well. I think you on your 4 lines notebook, make it single stroke. It's a, you have to practice more than 4 pages. That's only it will result in a proper way. Okay, single line, just you have to practice 4 pages, then these stroke and these stroke. So now we are doing this one from ascender to bottom, 4 lines. It should be very slanting. Understand? Okay. Then next to ascender to bottom, draw 1 line, and then second line should be from the top line to, which one is this? It is named descender line. Okay. So top line to ascender to bottom, top to descender, alternate. Okay, again we do this. So ascender to bottom, alternate. Okay, then from this stroke again you have to draw twice, same alternate stroke, you have to draw twice. While you are writing, whether may use pencil or pen, you have to draw a line. One kind request, don't use your ruler for this ruling line. Some children may take a ruler and put it in like this. So only use your pencil or pen with your hand. Okay. Then, so this is the first stroke, second one and third, then fourth and fifth one. From these 4 line stroke, we have to draw another pattern. Listen here. Ascender to bottom, 4 lines. It's a one segment, one pattern. Then you have to make, this is the alternate from the top to descender, 4 lines. Understand this? From this stroke, we have to draw this. Okay, it is easy. From ascender to bottom, 4 lines, and observe it. Don't interrupt or don't cross over these 2 lines, and you have to observe, children, each stroke it a similar spacing. You have to observe that, but it will comes up only your practice. Okay, practice makes perfect. So these 4 lines, observe the spacing. It's also important for your beautiful handwriting. While practicing these basic strokes, you may write very well. Okay, then we have to see the next basic stroke.